Ngiyambingelela futhi balandeli nabalaleli bethu Engaging Life, uMo Zion, because this is where you're going to see this. Ngitshelile ngathi ngizoloko ngibadonsa. Sengiphethe uProphetess Helen naye, she was one of the speakers as of today. Uzozi introduce yena bese as take it through this day nokuthi kufikelele kanjani ukuthi bam invite as a guest speaker.
Ngiyabingelela ababukeli beMo Zion nge-Engaging Life. I'm Prophetess Helen from Ekuphumuleni Congregational Church under Bishop ZZ Nkosi. Ngilana ukuza enkonzweni ye-appreciation yabazalwane hosted uBishop Dlamlenze noLady Bishop Dlamlenze. uBishop babuyisela back ebantwaneni babo umsebenzi abawayenzele bona ukuma nabe ebandleni babe loyal babahloniphe bakhonze ngokuthembeka ngokuzikhandla ebandleni. So babuyisela leyo umsebenzi ebandleni ukuthi akusiyibo kuphela kumele ba-receive but nabo as bishop they must give out ebantwaneni babo. So besizoyenza leyo nkonzo namhlanje. So nama I was one of the speakers namhlanje ngikhuluma on behalf of the Bishop Office of gratitude nesandla esibongayo umuntu obonga ngenhliziyo yokubonga.
Yes, definitely. Sicela mama usisharele izwi wena oye walishare today.
Okay,
Usharele umlaleli wethu izwi mhlambe usharele today. If usalikhumbula ukuthi
ngiyakhumbula ukuthi bengivule ku First Thessalonians.
Yes.
Bengivule ku First Thessalonians. Yeah, First Thessalonians chapter 5 verse 18. It's to give thanks in all, in circumstances, for everything, but not everything.
Not everything.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much. Siyabonga kakhulu. Stay tuned to Mo Zion for more. If you wanna learn kuqala ivideo kusho khona amanye asalandela. Stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, very important. Please subscribe, please. And then go TikTok yethu Engaging Life. Nenze sure ukuthi nalapho futhi awu like nje kuphela. Like, follow. Sifuna ukuba na 1000 followers please. Sizoyireach ngenxa yenu. Thank you.
Amen.